Okay, I'm sure you've been noticing this, but most of my commissions lately are pet portraits, and I'm loving every bit of it. See, the thing about pet portraits for me is that it's a little bit easier and harder at the same time. Now, this is because there is not much difference to some people when it comes to looking at another dog and then another one next to it. So I have to find a way to make each portrait unique, like the personality is actually showing through my painting. So as much as possible, I do this thing where I talk to the owner or the one, my client. And this is something that I love about it because they do add little bits of detail for me. Like for this one, the keychain, the importance of the keychain. So I try my best to find a way to really emphasize it, to make it more unique. In some cases, I'll get something like, oh, my dog smiles this way. So even though the reference photo doesn't necessarily have that smile, I try putting it in just so they can easily identify that yes, this is in fact a portrait of my baby. So that's something that I enjoy while making my pet portraits. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it so far, please do click that like button, and if you want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It will help this channel grow. I'm really trying to post more and to teach more. So thank you so much. Until next time.